How to turn off safe search mode on Google. Hi guys, I'll try and make this quick for you. Today I'm going to tell you more about what Google search is capable of. Specifically, we're going to talk about safe search. How to turn it on and off. From Google search, what you want to do is click on the gear icon. After that, you should be able to navigate the settings of Google search. What you want to do is activate the safe search. So what is safe search and what does it do? Safe search acts as a filter to save your eyes and mental from explicit result that we could see while browsing on Google. So maybe you're gonna let your children hold your gadget for them to, have fun. You could turn the safe search filter on and now you can focus on other important things that you have to do. However, if you want to get more relevant results from Google, of course you would want to turn off that safe search filter. So you will just have to click the switch again and it should be deactivated. Just note that safe search may not be 100% accurate, but we'll get there. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching guys. See you on the next video.